Hello YouTube, I am back with the new interesting topic which will fulfill my subscriber demand also. So let's start. In this session we will see the use of not in, not exist, left outer join in the SQL. So how we can apply all these functions, what are the differences between them, and which one will perform best result. So we will see all the stuff. So let's start without late. First of all, here I will open a new window. I have two tables, test A and test B. First of all, we will check the data in these two tables. Select star from test A. Here are 5 records. Now in the second table, select star from test B. And here are 4 records and the last one is null. Always keep in mind, null is not empty. It's itself a value like 1, 2, 3. So null is also a value which the database consider not empty. So now our first is not in. How to perform the not in operation between these two tables? Select star from test A where col1 not in, select col1 from test B and just run the command. You will get no result. Now we will use the another function not exist. I will explain the difference later, so you will get the idea automatically by viewing the result. Select star from test A table and I am just aliasing with the name first table where col1 not exist, and now I will perform a subquery. Select col1 from test B and just execute it. And also set the condition where col1 equal to first, that we are comparing this subquery with our outer table first dot col1. Let's execute it. Where not exists only, and just execute it. You will see there 2 records are there. Now you will find the difference between not in and not exist. Not in return nothing because it will not give you the null values. It will just check that value from this table and it will exclude these from the table first. So this is the basic difference between not in and not exist. Just table 1 contain A, B, C, D, E and the table B contains A, B, C and null value. So there are 2 values which are skipped, which is D and E. So the where not exist function will give our result by including the null values. So the main difference between in and not exist is that not in will not return the null values, but not exist will give you the null entry also. Not in return the first table data that are not found in the second table, which we have already seen. And what the not exist actually do, will not return any data if it return true or false value depend on the subquery value existence check. How it will return true or false? It will this function is boolean, which written like you will check this like select col1 from test B where col1 equal to first dot col1. If the value not exist in this, true or false, if true then it return the result, if false then the result will return according to that condition. So I hope you all get the idea between not in and not exist. Now let's see the left outer join. So how you will perform the left outer join? Select star from test A and aliasing it is tbl1 left join or left outer join test B and tbl2 on tbl1 dot call 1 equal to tbl2 dot call 1, where you can say like tbl2 is null, tbl2 dot call 1 is null. Now check the result. When you will execute, you will find that D and E have the null values, because in the first table there are two values D and E, but in the second table only A, B, C, 3 records are there, and the fourth one is null and the fifth one is not exist. Now you can check that what is the main the left outer join do, what it actually do. It just search all the data from the first table, so it will return all the record from the first left table and matched with second table, and null value also means. But here we are doing the condition that tbl1 is null, so when you will run this one also only, then you will get all the record, even though they are null, but still it will give all the records from the table 1. So this is all about the not in, not exist and left outer join. Now let's see by performance that which one has the better performance. So for the performance we have two tables, so which contains lots of data, so performance always calculated by the large amount of data. Now here we will check the select star from tblAuthors, check the data, like there are lots of data, and another table select star from tblBooks. Let's execute it, and it also contains thousands of data. Now we will perform not exist on the table. Select star from, and I will also tell you that how you can also check the performance of your query. First we will perform not exist, where not exist select from tblAuthors auth, and here I will get auth.id, which is author ID, where books dot author ID equal to auth.id. Book table contain the foreign key of the tblAuthors author ID. Now just execute it. You will get two rows, and you can check the performance. Suppose this property window is off, so how you can on? Just press F4 and now execute your query, then check the elapsed time, means how much time it took, means millisecond. You can say millisecond, this is hour, minute, second, then this one is millisecond, so 0.063. Now we will check the left outer join performance. Select star from tblBooks, then left outer join tblAuthors auth on book.authorID equal to auth.id, where book.authorID is null. So now let's check the performance. First one performance is 0.063 millisecond, and now check the performance of it. So 0.58. So it depends on the query sometimes, so you can't say that which one is worse. Everything depends on the situation, that where you are using the function and in which condition you are performing. So here we compared, so the left outer join returned the fastest result, but in most of cases you will get the not exist much faster than outer join. And in SQL there are lots of joins available. You can search like joins in SQL. Now you can distinguish that which join is used for what purpose. Now here we will see the image, like if you will perform inner join, then it will return the common data of two tables. If you will perform full join, then it will return all the data which is common or not from the two tables. It will return all the data from both tables. Left join, what it will do, it will return the first table data and the common which is in the second table also. So it will return the most, means complete data of the table 1. Right join, just opposite of the left join, means it will return the right table data and the common which is also available in the left table. So you can check the difference like this, and you can also measure your performance, your query performance, by using the property window and by checking the elapsed time. You can also check the execution from here, or maybe somewhere. Include actual live plan. Just click on it, so it will enable, and now execute your query. Now you will check that your execution plan over here, that which query take how much time. So everything you can check and track your query like this. This is the cost, like it is given that 95%, and the time cost is 0.001 second. You can check like this. And if you like this video, so please like, subscribe and share to your friends. And you can also query for some other topic. I will provide it soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till that, stay tuned.